Hey guys, I'm going to make a YouTube video today. Decided I should probably start making them again because I haven't made them in quite a while, other than that mini bike one. Anyway, this is a motor I got at the junkyard the other day. As you can see, there's a plant growing out of the top of it. Let me zoom in on that. Okay, never mind, that's not working for some reason. Forgot how to zoom in, it's been a while. Anyway, I'll just move the tripod over. See, there's a plant growing out of the spark plug hole, and my brother named it Gary for some reason. And yeah, let's just see what's in this engine. It's been without the spark plug outside for about 2 years. I picked it up the other day when I picked up a couple Briggs engines. So let's see what's in it, for the oil anyway. Y'all getting this? Let's see. Let's see what's in here. That's probably not good. That's not even where they were supposed to drain the oil out of. Let's see if there's actually any real oil in this, or if it's just water. Ugh, stinks. Oh, more water. That's fun. Oh, now we're getting some goopy oil out of this. Isn't that crazy? Ah, it smells so bad. This actually worked when he when he left it outside too. I don't know why he did. He just said he got frustrated with it, just left it out there. But yeah, it's pretty gross. Luckily, I'm not using this engine. Well, this engine itself. I'm only using a few of the parts for this. I have a Raptor engine down there. I'm not going to move the tripod again, but I have a Raptor engine down there that I'm rebuilding, and it needs a new crankshaft, and I'm hoping this one will be in decent shape. I don't know how it's going to be because it's been submerged in water for 2 years, but we'll see. If I can't use that, I'll get the pull start cover off of here and a few other things. Carburetor. But there you go. Damn it, how you turn this off?